Social media is another great tool to drive leads and to find motivated sellers as well as to sell your property. So you want to make sure you do a deep dive on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, and learn how to run ads and run paid ads. You can run ads for motivated sellers just like you do anywhere else. The We Buy Houses, promote your company. You can target all the way down to the neighborhood that you want to target in for sellers and also for cash buyers. If you get really good with pay-per-click paid ads, you can use YouTube and run ads with YouTube. YouTube is a very effective means of pay-per-click. It's also inexpensive. So you want to look into that and run ads for motivated sellers, the We Buy Houses kind of ads that you would run on the internet. And you want to take that to a lead capture page on your website. If you're using Carrot websites, Investor Carrot, you want to make sure, and that's carrot like the vegetable, like the rabbit eats. So they have some great tools for running Facebook ads. It integrates, makes it real simple, seamless, and easy. So social media is huge, not just to promote your business, promote what you're doing. You obviously want to put testimonials up out there and just let people know that you buy houses, that's what you do, and let them know what your business is. If you're raising capital, talk about the deals you do. And that you got to be careful there with raising capital. You don't want to violate any SEC regulations, but you can talk about what you do and that you work with investors on your properties and your projects. If you're raising investor capital to flip houses, you're just sharing what you do and that you have people that invest with you on these deals. And you're not soliciting investors, you're not advertising for investors, you're just talking about what you do. So you got to be real careful with that on social media. But you can show the work that you're doing, you can talk about the houses you're flipping, and when you're out in public, when people ask you what you do, you're a real estate investor, that you help investors, invest their money and get good returns secured by the real estate. And you do one-off deals where you have an investor in one property. So you can use social media to find motivated sellers. You can use it to get property sold. You can use it to promote your business for potential investors. You just got to be real careful how you do that. You cannot solicit for investors, but you can talk about what you're doing and the process that you're going through. And also, social media can be really good for just building your business in general, getting your presence out there. Google, you can do geo-targeting, geo-farming, so you can target neighborhoods and have ads show up to people in certain neighborhoods. You can take your mail list, upload it to Facebook and Google, and just target those people. So there's a number of ways that you can use social media and paid ads for finding motivated sellers, selling properties, and raising investor awareness so that people want to invest with you.